welcome guys to Tanish Zooks Gaming, and I am Tanish over here. So today we are gonna be playing Garena Free Fire. So this is a like you know not not much of an addictive game, but you know need to play it in your free time so that you don't get addicted, and we need to balance it with your studies and all. So in this online lockdown, I have been playing this. I got to know this through my friends actually. So let's get going. So I have opened the Garena Free Fire. Over here, so you're gonna have the banner and then the news and everything, and then over here is the game mode. And today we are gonna be playing Clash Squad Ranked. So let's start. So I'm gonna explain everything about this. So these are the events actually. Oh, sorry, is that my friend? Yeah. So I'm gonna be playing with my friend now. So this is my friend Abhi. Hey Abhi, I am actually running a YouTube channel. You there, bro? Can you switch it to Clash Squad Ranked? Sorry, bro. Okay, okay. So we'll play ranked game. Abhi, make sure you go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel, Tanir Zooks, and I'm gonna be playing with you over here for a while. Okay. So guys, now we have started the match. Now we are gonna be playing a ranked game, not Clash Squad, because actually he's having a bit issues with that. So basically, today's topic is AFK banning. Our example is my friend itself. So basically, in a Clash Squad or any other game, if you go offline, so there's gonna be a bot over there. He's gonna be it's from the it's the bot is controlled by the Garena account makers. So they are gonna be but and we get a warning about that the player over there is a bit disturbing, and then he's having some issues karke. And then the AFK warning goes, and then if you get the three AFK warnings, you're banned from Clash Squad for a limited time. So you're banned from Clash Squad for a limited time. What can you do? So what can you do is you need to play other games, and you should be online at all costs, so that uh, you uh, you don't uh, you don't lose your Clash Squad account or something. Because a few members have got their Clash Squad account banned till like forever, like few months. So Abhi, how was your experience with Garena Free Fire? You could share with us. So bro, you can actually. So shall I drop near the refinery? Actually, I'm not dropping near the refinery. I'm dropping near the foundation, okay? Yep, so we have gone down to the foundation. So there's been a new squad over there, right? There has been a squad dropped. Squad has dropped over there. So we need to be awakened at all cost, because sometimes people. No, actually, this whole game is about killing, so uh, it's based on that. So just don't get worried if anything happens, okay? Yep, we have it in. Oh shoot! Abhi, revive, revive, revive. Okay, we are back. So uh, Wow, I'm being really bad at this one. Yep, I died. So this is the result whenever you play weak. Sorry for the loud voicing, please. So this is how we play. I died, but he's still there. So let's go. So he's equipped few guns, I guess. Yeah. Now we're equipping something else. Yeah. So we are near the foundation, and now we are gonna be going where? Let's see. So I've been with Garena Free Fire for like 3 weeks or something, and then I actually my rank has been changed because of the new season update. But actually, my rank was Platinum 2. So these are based on your ranked game skills and how do you get standings on, and then your RP rate so that you know your rank increases. So basically, as your rank increases, there will be four stages for each rank. So you get different rewards, and then you have that banner thing. So that's basically your username stuff. So in that, I'm going to be taking or talking about the internal stuff about internal stuff in Garena like next time in the next video. So basically, over here is you're gonna have the guns thrown down over here in the random places, and then now you're gonna be equipping stuff. Yeah, so he's got a lot of stuff, and then next thing is over here with your like there's an option over here in the lobby that the main screen actually, not the lobby because most people don't understand what the hell is lobby. So the main thing over here is that you gotta kill people so that you have your nice high pointing, and then uh, in the main screen you're gonna have a few options in which you're gonna be having a collection and all. So if you go to the collection stuff, you can have random gun skins and weapon skins. So how does he have? He has a I don't actually remember the gun names, but I guess he has an XM, yeah, M1014 or something. I don't know. Abhi, can you tell me the gun name actually? The two guns names. Sorry. Yeah, I can hear you. Actually, your voice is a bit low. Yeah. So yeah, it's clear. Yeah. Okay. And then he's having a pan. And what character is this? DJ Alok, right? Yeah. So basically, you're gonna have all these skins you can equip by you can get them by buying through diamonds, and then the Garena Free Fire coins, and then sometimes you get them through completing events and all. And then main thing is your fashion. So in the fashion, right, you're gonna have that clothing which I guess provides you good luck. If you want, you need to look stylish whenever you're going for a nice battle. So this is basically Garena Free Fire, whatever we are playing. So let's concentrate on the gaming because as I'm spectating Abhi, I'm gonna be looking around for enemies. He too does look around for enemies, but I'm helping him. So now he has a grappling hook gun. This gun is really special because you can travel to places through this. Yep. Mm, till now we are doing really well. And over here in the map, I'm gonna explain there's a whole map of Kalahari. Okay, I don't know if I did spell it right or wrong, but this map over here is like the desert region. Uh, the the Garena Free Fire has three maps over here. Like basically, without any, the events running on, you're gonna be having only three maps: the Purgatory, Bermuda, and Kalahari. The Purgatory is gonna open at specific times, but Kalahari and Bermuda are open at all time. And then if you go to ranked game, right, they're gonna provide you with a random map to play in. So Purgatory can be unlocked through that. And then over here, if you come to the map, you're gonna see the bluish, the stub over here near the sub. Okay, get it? Yeah, just lame. So over here, this is the blue zone, and over here you get you know much loot and much legendary loot than usual. And then over here, the white lines you're seeing right over here. So this thing is the boundary. Like, in normally battle royale games, the safe zone shrinks so that all the players gather up in one player so that the entertainment gets doubled. Okay, and over here is a marka. This is a resupply point which I have marked, and this is the red zone, the danger zone where most players are found. And then over here is the the treasure chest you can see, right? This is a resupply where you mark the resupply. We're gonna get back to resupply in other videos, okay? And then there's the point where he wishes to go. And then in Kalahari, most important point, whenever you're playing that, never go over here, the refinery. The refinery is the worst over here. Most people uh, stay over there and they do stuff we don't want. Yep. So stuff is going on right now over here. There's a lot of stuff going on. And then in this game, you have no idea what happens in middle because some guy comes up from behind and he snipes you, and you won't even know who is sniping until unless you start spectating him. Wow. I mean, how long is the video gone? 12 minutes. Great. This video is directly gonna be uploaded in YouTube. Hmm. So right now it's going great. And now you can see those yellow, lines lighting up over there, right? So these are like legendary stuff you wanna do. Like you can equip these are air drops. You can see the blimp going on over there, right? So from there you get those air like a box falls down where you have a lot of equipment over there, like ammo and then different guns. Wow, we have an enemy in front of us. Wow, yeah, you kill him. Wow, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, he has blocked himself. Abhi, come on, you can do it, man. Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. Don't. Yeah. Yo, he already died. So we have got 4 kills with us. Yay, 4 kills. So this is the airdrop. Right now it got dropped, right? The purple box. So here now you can find a lot of guns and stuff. For here you get more ammo, and then the medical kits. The medical kits play a very crucial role in your stuffing. And then over here DJ Alok speciality, this character speciality has its like you know this guy plays a beat kind of stuff that heals him actually in like 5 seconds, right? Yeah, something 5 seconds I guess. So he has this ability DJ Alok. And then medkits, coming back to the medkits, these kits are really crucial because they help you revive. And then whoa, he's gonna fall off. And then make sure you don't fall off like that. This terrain is really rocky and like mountainy or stuff. So make sure you don't fall off. If you fall down from a greater height, right, you're gonna die. Wow, who is shooting? Someone is gonna be shooting with some other scope. Yeah, you can see him healing himself, right? Yeah, so he has used a med kit, and now he has to track who is there and where is he. Yep, you got the enemy in front of you, bro. Wow. Glue walls is another thing. Over here, it's like a protection wall for you. Wow, he's hiding behind the box. Not the box. Wow, there are two players now. Yeah, yeah, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, shoot, we died. So, I guess the video will end over here. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay. So I'll be going. Bye.
Oh, well,